Hello everybody, this is Weak Gamer coming at you with a vlog. My first vlog, my first video of anything. Sorry about my long neck, you'll just have to deal with it. I'll put it up here. This is just a vlog, as you can see, about just saying hello to you guys. And yeah, this is a video so that you guys can comment down below. Tell me what I should do. Like, horror games that might be fun, rage games, funny games, I don't know. But, onto the important stuff about my channel. Sorry, my Samsung's on the charger, so, yeah. So, onto the important things. 1, don't have a camera. I'm only posting this on my Samsung. So, yeah. 2, I don't have one of those game capture cards. If you guys don't know what that is, it's so that you guys actually see the screen. My ear's ringing. It's so that you guys actually see the screen instead of that. So, of course, it'll be closer up. So, I'm probably gonna wait until I get one of those to make a gaming video. But I might not, comment down below if you guys just want to see direct gaming videos. But if not, I'll probably just make vlogs so that you guys have something to watch. I'm thinking. 2. Wait, was that 2? Was that 2 or 3? I think that's 2. I think that's 2. So 3. My videos will not be daily, only because my parents don't know that I'm doing this, and really I just want to be a YouTuber so much because I've been making, perfect. This is amazing. No, sorry about that, a little glitchy thing, but, my parents don't know that I'm doing this, so, really I just want to be a kid that makes videos and has fun, so, because my friends make videos and movies, more like, and I have so much fun doing that, but yeah. Okay, back into happy state. I'm such a lunatic. But, just give me some time to get used to this whole thing. I'll become more of myself. And yeah, this video, if I didn't say this before, is just so that you guys have something. So that you guys can comment down below on what you guys want me to do. Horror games, funny games, rage games, adventure games, I don't know. Whatever you guys want. Vlogs. Probably gonna do a weekly vlog, like Vlog Friday or something like that. Now that I said it, sounds pretty good. I'm gonna do it. So yeah, Vlog Fridays. I think today's actually Friday too. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, cool. Vlog Fridays. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh yeah. My birthday and Christmas is coming up soon, so I'll be asking for stuff mainly for YouTube, so that you guys can not rage, I guess. Not be like, oh my god, the camera's so annoying. Because I know some people do that, and I completely understand. So, yeah. That would be good. I think that's about it. Oh, comment down below if you guys want to see me play with other people. Apparently not, obviously not other YouTubers, because this is my first video. But, yeah. Like my friends. I've already recorded one. Probably gonna post it out today, I think. So, yeah. When I get the opportunity to post videos, I will post as many as I can, so that you guys can watch more, like, so then it'll almost be daily, just a lot on one day. So yeah, I'm thinking, sorry. I think that's it. Hope you guys had a good week, since it's Friday. Good day. Hopefully you guys like my channel. If you do, you can always hit the like button. Always hit that subscribe button if you're new here, which all of you are, so all of you better be hitting that subscribe button. See you, Timmy. Better do it. This is gonna be just a Timmy guy being like, oh my god, he knows my name. This is a psycho. I better do it. But yeah, just give me some time so that I can get used to this. Open up. The background won't be this. I'm currently at my dad's house, so I'll be posting videos at my mom's house. But yeah, this is Vlog Fridays. I like it. So yeah, Vlog Fridays. Might do 2 videos a day. Well, for today anyway. So yeah, Vlog Friday. Hopefully you guys had a good week, had a good day. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and yeah, see you guys later.